my name is Mindiha, and this is my CS50 final project, Minimal Shop. My GitHub username is Diha21122000 and my latest username is Mindiha. I'm recording this video from Yingjiang, Mandalay, Myanmar on December 31, 2025. Minimal Shop is a web application for a small online medical shop. Users can easily navigate through the available medical products using a clean and user-friendly design. The project was developed using common web technology to handle both user interface and application logic. By embedding Minimal Shop, I improved my web application structure and problem-solving skill. Overall, Minimal Shop demonstrates my ability to design and improve a function web application. Thank you for watching.